Now, that leads me to my other point is how much should this cost? A lot of these new trainers that do cookie cutter programs from an app or just an AI are charging three, four, $500 a month. And it's a joke because a client will get it, have one or two coaching sessions and then never buy again, or they just don't re-up and the trainer goes to get somebody else and it's just a cycle. Now, what if we had something that was incredibly affordable? I'm talking under $100 a month. I'm talking under $80 a month. Hell, maybe even under $60 a month. Where you'll get the same thing. You'll meet virtually with the trainer. You'll fill out all your questionnaires, your forms. You'll get your assessments done. Your program will be written by an AI, and then the time will be taken to review it, adjust it, and then send it to you. And then during that month, you're paying monthly, you have unlimited access via text and email. No phone calls. That takes too much time. And then you can schedule, as an add-on, a monthly in-person video conference to to actually go over everything, so you don't have to live. So you don't have to worry about waiting for an email or waiting for a text response, especially if you're in a gym, and you're like, oh, I don't understand this exercise. You text your trainer and the trainer goes, okay, I'm working with somebody right now. Give me 5 minutes. And then you guys could set something up really quickly. That is the general gist of it. But I think that's where we should be going. We should be making personal training more affordable, especially if we're not in the gym, if we're not working with you one-on-one, where, time is valuable, for a fitness professional. I understand that. So if you're dealing with a personal trainer who, take myself, for instance, I charge $200 an hour to physically work with me one-on-one. Okay. Not even going to say an hour, $200 a session. That session can go anywhere between 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on how much work we can get done or what I see as we're doing it, because I like to really focus on everything. I'm very anal retentive about that. But, so it should really be more affordable for people to get into this sphere of personal training. As clients, I'm talking about, not trainers. There's too many trainers, and most of them don't know what they're doing. And when you can get a certification in 3 weeks, that's a problem. So we should be looking at creating a program that's affordable for clients, gives them access to your expertise, your safety, your knowledge, your intensity, and your care. Because I wouldn't have lasted 30 years in this business if I didn't care about the people that I work with. So every single client that I've ever had, I treated them like family, and including the ones online that I have. I do have them, and I charge $39 a month. Not even $40 a month. Because what am I doing? Answering a couple of texts here and there. I do that all day, every day. Technology has made it easy, and I want to help as many people as I can. So if you've gotten this far, you can go to my website, www.llioi.com, and you can look up my affordable personal training section, schedule an info session. We can talk. We'll see if it's right for you.